Now children, we shall be starting with the last exercise of 7.2. खाली दो एक्सरसाइज बेटा ये चैप्टर में. Okay, easy है. Find the cube root of each of the following by prime factorization method. जैसे हम prime factorization method से हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करते थे, वैसे हमको prime factorization method से यहाँ पे cube root फाइंड करना है. Means we need to find the cube root by कैसे? मुझे 3's के पेयर, okay, 3 के ग्रुप्स, 3 के ग्रुप को मुझे निकालना है, उसको उसका रूट फाइंड करना है. 64 is the first number. Okay, 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Okay, कितने ग्रुप में बेटा बने? 2 के 1 2, तो 2 क्यूब into 2 क्यूब रूट कर, तो 2 2s are 4. As you know, 4 का क्यूब 64 है, जो मैंने तुमको स्टार्टिंग के मेरे सेशन में तुमको बताया था मैंने बेटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट 5 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 128s are, 2 64s are, 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. ठीक है? So 2 2 2. How many? 1 2 3. Okay, 3 cubes is equal to 2 के, तो 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. वैसे 1 0 6 4 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. वापस से 2 से होगा बेटा. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, again 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3s are 1s are. 1 3 3 1 as you know 11 का क्यूब है. 11 121s are, 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. 2 cube and 11 cube root cut, cube cut. So 2 11s is 22 is the cube root of 10648. In the same way, 2700. Okay, 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0s are. Opposite 2 over 2, 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, again 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 0s are. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. पर अब 2 से पॉसिबल नहीं बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे 5 है, तो 3 से करो. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21 because 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 carry, 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 7s are yes. और 22 minus 21, यहाँ पे 21 में नहीं 2 हो गया, तो 22 minus 21 कितना होगा? 1. वापस से यहाँ 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, वापस से 3 1s are 3, okay, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 25s are 5 5s and 5 1s are. So 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 2 2s are 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 is the cube root of 2700. Okay, next one 1 5 6 2 5. Okay, 2 से पॉसिबल नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पे 5 है. 3 से पॉसिबल नहीं होगा क्यों? 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19. It doesn't come in the table of 3, so 5, but naturally 5 से तो होगा ही होगा divisible. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 6 है तो 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 12 minus 10 is 2, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. अब अगर 5 6s are 30, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 12 minus 10 is 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 1 25 are 5 25 are 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 5 2 5 2, so 5 5s are 25. So 25 is the cube root of 15625. 1 3 8 2 4. Okay, next one 4 8 2 6 9 1 2 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 1 carry होगा तो 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, again 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 1 carry, okay 3 है, 2 minus 2 is 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4 1 carry होगा 17 है, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 actually होता है, but यहाँ 3 है, 3 minus 2 is what? 1, तो 1 carry हो गया, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are ओके 2 1 जा 2, 16 साथ में तो 0 ले लो, 2 1 जा 16, ओके 16 साथ में तो 10 की प्लेस बढ़ने के लिए 0 लेना होता है, कर याद रखो बेटा। 2 5 जा 10, 2 4 जा 2, 27 जा, नाउ 27 comes in the table of 3, 3 9 जा 3 3 जा 3 1 जा, so 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube 3 cube, okay, so 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 20, 4 is the cube root of 1384. The same way for 1 1 0 5 9 काफी लंबा है। चलो for this again 2 5 are 10, 1 carry 2 5 are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 2 9s are 18, again 1 carry 2 6 are 12, okay, we need to tend to make mistakes, so be careful with this। और यहाँ पे cube root find करना है, so for sure बेटा 3 3 के ग्रुप बनेंगे। अगर तुम्हारे में फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं बनते हैं ग्रुप, that means there is some problem in your factorization, okay। चलो 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 2 7s are 14, again 1 carry 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 9 है तो 8 से नजदीक, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry वापस से 9 8 is 1, 2 is 16, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, okay, 1 carry 2 is 16, 2 2s are 4, okay, and 2 4s are 8, again 2 2 6s are 12, 1 carry 2 9s are 18, okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry 2 5s are 10, again 1 carry 2 6s are 12, okay, same अब ये रिपीट हो रहा है, okay, same रिपीट हो रहा है 6 9 1 2 से basically 1 3 8 2 5 से पूरा रिपीट हो रहा है। so again revising that, ठीक है, 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube 3 cube, and it's 4 groups बन रहे हैं 2 के और 3 का एक बन रहा है, तो 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 3 are 48, 8th number 4 6 5 6, 6 is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 2 is 16, वापस 2 1s are 2 1s are 1 carry 2 6s are 12, again 1 carry 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 is 1 carry 2 is 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 carry वापस यहाँ पे 2 5s are 10, वापस 11 minus 10 1 1 वापस यहाँ पे कैरी हो जाएगा, तो 16 हो गया, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 is 1, again 1 carry 2 9s are 18. Now not possible with 2, with 3, okay, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 3 4s are 12, 3 3 9, 3 81s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are, 2 का cube 2 का cube 3 का cube 3 का cube, 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 is the cube root of 4 6 6 5 6, okay children।